Hi. So in this session we are going to see how we can handle multiple exceptions. Okay. So we are running in this code. So what we have done so far is enter the numerator, enter the denominator, and if you raise any value error, that if you don't give numerator and denominator to be integers, then it will raise the value error and print this exception. Okay, raise this exception and print this. Now let us try to do this. I specify numerator as 5. I specify 0. 0 is also an integer, but you got an error that is not a value error, but that is 0 division error. That is division by 0. So that is also not allowed. So that you get in line 9, and line 9 is this. Value is equal to numerator divided by denominator, and division by 0 is not allowed. If you try to do that, you get an error, 0 division error. Okay. So now since you have not handled 0 division error, so it will go to this, but you can handle multiple exceptions as like this. You can have a value error, you can have a 0 division error. You can handle this exception, and you can just print if this exception comes, then you can specify denominator should not be 0. Something like this you can give. So if you specify 0 denominator, it will start taking input again. It will raise this error, it will handle using this, and you will have to give the input again. 5 and 0, you get denominator should not be 0. It is suggesting you to again take the numerator and denominator. Now if you do this 5 and ABC, you got the value error, and that way you have printed numerator and denominator should be integers. Okay, enter the numerator. If you specify 5 and 2, you got the answer 2.5 and the program has stopped. Okay, so this is how it is working. You can handle multiple exceptions like this, value error and 0 division error. If you want, you can have a common thing as well. In value error and 0 division error, if you want the same thing to be printed, you can specify this. So you don't need this now. You can say numerator and denominator should be integers and denominator should not be 0. You can specify this. So if you get any value error or 0 division error, in both the case you will go to this. If you specify 5 and ABC, so you get the error, numerator and denominator should be integers and denominator should not be 0. If you give 5 and 0, again you are getting numerator and denominator should be integers and denominator should not be 0. If you give ABC, numerator and denominator should be integers and denominator should not be 0. If you give 5 and 3, you get 1.66, etc. and you got this. Okay, you can handle either this or you can handle like the previous way we did. I think in this case it is ideal that we give something like this. Okay, this is the correct sense, and now you should know you know how to handle multiple exceptions. You can give in single line or you can specify in multiple line. In single line there will be a common code for both the exceptions. So this is how we can handle multiple exceptions. We are going to learn how we can make our own exceptions. Okay, so these are the exceptions which are present in Python, but there can be exceptions which we can build ourselves as well. Okay, according to our code we can have our own exceptions. Okay, great. Thank you.